Hi, good morning. My name is Rio. I'm an endodontist from Jakarta. How are you guys? I hope that you enjoy the 2025 and now we are facing the 2026 and I have to say this to you. Happy New Year! I hope that you stay healthy, stay wealthy, and do love endo. And today, I'm going to present to you another clinical case report of a single visit endodontic treatment which was done in mandibular second molar. This case will be presented with long-term follow-up, or I might say to be exact as 29 months follow-up, to show you how the single visit endo can be done and provide a good healing result. The case came to me as a big apical bone loss, and this case had been referred to me before because this tooth need a root canal treatment. And after a brief discussion with my patient, the patient agreed to do a single visit endo, and then I did a single visit endo for her. And after 26 months follow-up, the result showed a bone regeneration on the x-ray, and then the patient was very happy. The tooth was functional and ready to be crowned. So guys, I hope that this video is useful for you, particularly when you are dealing with such cases. And this video is supposed to be used as educational purpose only. If you have any other question, please send your question to the comment section below, or just send your question to my Instagram account because I will reply the DM as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay super, stay wealthy, and stay with me in this YouTube channel. See you in my next clinical case video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. God bless you all. Bye-bye.